Hi you guys, if you want to learn how to make my easy and delicious sweet potato pie, stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is peel my potatoes. I baked these sweet potatoes in the oven until they were nice and tender. Now all I have to do is peel off the skin, which it came off really easily, and plop that into my bowl here. And I highly suggest you bake your sweet potatoes when doing a sweet potato pie versus boiling them, because I believe that they keep their vibrant bright orange color better when you bake them, and the flavor of the sweet potato is much better in my opinion. So this is a trick I wanted to show you guys, especially when I'm doing a sweet potato pie. They can be very stringy sometimes, and that is such a turn off for me. I do not like stringy sweet potato pie. So I like to take my hand mixer here and kind of whip my potatoes, and in a second you guys will see how the beaters are going to look. There's going to be a bunch of strings on there. See you guys, that is not what you want in your sweet potato pie. So I take my beaters and rinse them off with water, and I do this process several times until I see little to no strings in my sweet potatoes. So just a little trick for you guys. All right, so this is how my potatoes look, nice and smooth and silky. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our sugar, and this is 1 cup of granulated sugar. I'm also adding in some cinnamon and 1 small dash of nutmeg, not too much because it will overpower your pies. You don't want to do that. And then I added in some vanilla extract, and I'm adding in 1 small can of sweetened condensed milk. Super duper yummy, you guys. If you haven't tried sweetened condensed milk in your pie, you should definitely try it. It is super good. I'm adding in about 2 tablespoons or so of whole milk, as well as 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And we're going to go ahead and give that a good whisk. And I know you guys are going to see that the filling is a little loose, but that's how it should be at this stage. And later when we add in our eggs and our flour, that obviously is going to thicken up our pies once it starts baking. So I like to taste my filling before adding those ingredients, making sure that I don't need any extra sugar or anything like that. And I didn't. It tasted perfect. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in 1/4 cup of flour, just regular all-purpose flour, and 2 eggs, you guys. And that is pretty much it for the filling, you guys. So I'm just going to give it one final whisk. And the pie crust that I'm going to be using is the Pillsbury pie crust, which is super duper delicious. You can certainly make your own pie crust, but if you want to make this pie completely from scratch, you can definitely go ahead and do that. But I love Pillsbury crust. It tastes good, so that's what I'm using. So now I'm going to just evenly distribute the pie filling in both of my pie crusts here, just like so. And then I'm going to pop these pies in a 350-degree oven for approximately 45 to 50 minutes. And once they come out, they're going to be looking beautifully golden brown and delicious, you guys. Don't these look good? They look so good. So of course, after they are out of the oven, you want them to rest for several hours before trying to cut and eat them. I personally believe sweet potato pie tastes better the next day and even the day after that if they last. But you know, you can eat them the same day. Just let them cool for several hours before cutting into them. And just FYI, my pies only lasted a good maybe 36 hours. So not even 2 full days, and these 2 pies were gone. They were so good, you guys. And you're gonna see when I lift this pie up how beautifully silky smooth the inside is, you guys, and it tasted even better than it looks. Just the perfect amount of sweetness and spices from the cinnamon and nutmeg. Y'all, this pie is just perfect. It's perfect to me. This is definitely something you will be proud to put on the table at any time, but especially for the holidays. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. That really does help my channel. If you would love to see more from me in the future, make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell. I love y'all. I thank y'all so much for watching as always, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.